We want to look at the capture command in Stata. Now, if we use this before any command, it suppresses all error messages, if any, and prevents the do file from breaking if the command fails. So basically, if the command works, the do file will run as is, but if it doesn't, you don't get an error and the do file does not break. For example, if you're trying to drop something that might not exist, let's look at the auto data set. Now, the auto data set does not have a variable income, right? We don't have a variable income here. If we do drop income, what's going to happen is you're going to get an error. And if you are running a do file, so then at this point, the do file will break and the commands after that won't run. Like for example, if I was running both of these commands, right? So see, when I do drop income, error comes, do file breaks, and the rest of the commands after this won't work in the do file. But if we do this, if we write cap before it, so then see, there will be no error. So if I was after this, I wanted to do summarize price. So in this case, we can see, so what happens is because we wrote cap, so Stata ignored the command, and after that, the do file did not break, and any commands that we wrote after that and we wanted to run were also executed. Similarly, if you want to generate a variable that might already exist, price already exists here. So if we say gen price is equal to 0, we get an error. But if we write capture before it, we won't get any error. So this cap gen price is equal to 0. So when we use the cap command before any command, so if there is a error, it would still run the do file will not break. Any commands that you selected after that in the do file will run as is. But if you hadn't written cap and there was an error, the do file would break, and any commands after that that you had selected in the do file won't run.